Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening a box of YuGiOh Legacy of Destruction. Second one that I still have lying around. And then we're jumping a bit late into the Legendary Collection Volume 2. Next Wednesday. So without further ado, let's see what we get here. As always, I will just skip through. We have a Ragnaraka chain coils here, which looks cool. On to the next pack we go. We get a Blessing of the Voiceless Voice. Of course, the set comes with a few additions to the Ancient deck. Well, archetype. You don't necessarily have to play them. We get Saphira, Divine Dragon of the Voiceless Voice for our first ultra rare of the box. Moving on. Get a multi-universe. And that's about it. On to the next one, where we get a Code of Soul. Moving on. We get a Gold Pride Eliminator. And on to the next one. I can already see the secret rare. Ragnaraka, the Evil Seed. And that's it here. On to the next pack we go. Where we get a Sangenpai, Transcendent Dragion. Moving on. We get Embers of the Ancient. And on to the next one. We get a Nightmare Throne. And that's it here. And on to the next one. We get a Fishborg Harpooner. And our stuff. So last pack of the right side. Let's see what it holds. A way where there's a will. And now let's move to the left side. And see what we get there. A Goblin Biker Troika Griar. Who knows how to pronounce words, really? Couldn't be me. On to the next one we go. With a Mirage Mirror Force. Let's move ahead and have a turn silence. And that's it here. Another Nightmare Throne. 2 in a box. How lucky we are. On to the next pick, where we have Battleguard Echoes for our super rare. On to the next pick we go. With Supreme King Set Arc Synchro Universe. Still a few packs left. We have a second secret rare, Centurion Auxilla. Let's see what else is still in the box. Navasangenpai Transcendent Dragon. Maybe I will be opening a few more boxes of Legacy of Destruction after we dipped into the Legendary Collection. We have Battleguard Echoes once again. But let's see about that. We have a Spearhead of the Ascent City, as I said. More Ascent support. On to the next one we go. And we have Vados, the Dragon of Endless Darkness. That's a cool looking one. You gotta admit. Also, Ashen City support, of course. And on to the last pack. I forgot to count down. Oh no. We have an Ancient Gear Dark Golem. I apologize for forgetting to count down. So, this has been another card opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I will be seeing you at the next one.